everyone. I'm Dr. Madanjit Pasricha. I'm a practicing gynecologist in Gurgaon. I'm a doctor by profession, but cooking is my passion. And I'm sharing you one chicken recipe today evening. This is 1 kg chicken, which we need for marination. The ingredients are salt, half a spoon of turmeric, ginger garlic paste around 2 spoons, half a cup of curd. So once I have marinated the chicken, it requires marination for half an hour, which I have done already. The quantity of chicken is approximately 1 kg. After marination, it looks something like this. And now we start the cooking process. But before that, I'll share you the ingredients which are required for the cooking. We need 4 spoons of oil, sabut masalas, which are bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and black pepper. And all these are supposed to be superfoods and also used for enhancing your immunity. So here is red chili powder, shahi jeera, coriander powder. This is 12 almonds and 12 cashew nuts which have been grounded into a paste, half cup of cream and jeera powder, water, and for garnishing green chilies and coriander. So once you put your pan on fire, we put oil in it and then put all the sabut masala. Here goes the jeera first. Let it splutter, and then I'm adding tez patta, dalchini, cardamoms, hari ilaichi, black pepper and long. So I'll wait till the flavor comes in the oil. All the masalas have fluttered. Add chicken in it. I have also added 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in the marinade, which I forgot to mention. Oil is absolutely infused with all the flavors of the spices. And now here goes our chicken. So we have to fry this chicken for around 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, I'll put jeera powder, dhania powder, and again let the gravy absorb these flavors. And give it a few stir. Red chili powder according to your taste. Now I am going to add badam or kaju ka paste. These are fried onions. I am going to put half of them into the gravy now. I took around 5-6 medium sized onions and deep fried them. Now I'll have to put on the heat at a lower flame. for another 10 minutes. keep on stirring occasionally. 10 minutes have elapsed and our chicken would look something like this. The onions which we had put have actually been absorbed into the gravy, and now we put cream, half a cup of cream, which you can use as the market fresh cream or homemade malai, and then we again give it a stir for 2-3 minutes. After putting cream, we have a very smooth creamy texture of the gravy, and now it's time for the final. We put around 1.5 cup of hot water. We put some more fried onions. And some salt for the gravy. We had put some salt for the chicken in the marination, but salt for the gravy. And now we let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes after we put on the lid. 10 minutes have elapsed and all the flavors have blended very beautifully. The chicken is done, the gravy is nice and creamy. If you like your gravy thick, you can add more of onions, or if you like your gravy to be slightly more thin in consistency to have it with rice, then you can add in more water as well. I'm switching it off and it's time to serve. And you garnish it with coriander and green chili. And some cream. Now the chicken is ready to be served with love. Serve it with your choice of bread or rice. Thank you.